Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Partiful. So Partiful is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are planning events, and it makes it easy to keep count of who is actually attending your event, who's maybe, who has declined. So with Partiful, this right here is the homepage website. You could actually download the app as well. Now, in order to actually sign up to Partiful, what we're going to do is just click on login, and you simply just enter your phone number here. So once you enter your phone number, that is how you're actually going to go ahead and sign up to Partiful. And again, Partiful, it's extremely useful if you plan events. Let me show you actually how to plan an event really quick. So here we are on the homepage of Partiful once you are logged in, and you can see your upcoming parties, your hosted events, open invite events, attended events, and all past events. So I mainly use Partiful to actually plan sporting events. So if I click on new event here, and then for here, I could type in, let's say, volleyball Monday, and then you can adjust the font, you can adjust the cover image, and then here you can enter the name, address, or link of where the event is located at. You can set the maximum capacity of how many people you want to attend your event, and then the cost per person as well, and in case you need to actually split costs. So with that, you could add a description. You could also set the RSV options to going, maybe, can't go. You can turn it to open invite as well. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up to Partiful. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.